Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about a natural and effective recipe, fermented rice water face toner. Specifically important for those suffering from dry, sensitive skin, but it also works for normal skin as well. And this recipe has been inspired by a recipe for the hair, which has previously been shared in this channel. I will include the link to the video on the rice water, the fermented rice water for the hair. Let's get started. Now this face toner that we're going to talk about, it is especially great for sensitive skin, and also you can do it in another way for oily skin, but that's just simply what you're going to do here. If you want to do it for oily skin, you would simply change in the type of essential oil that you use. So in this video we're going to use lavender essential oil because it's designed for dry, sensitive skin. And if you have oily skin, you would simply use something like tea tree or eucalyptus for oily skin, or even frankincense for oily skin as well, and it would help dramatically. So if you've got oily skin, simply take away the lavender essential oil and use either tea tree, eucalyptus or frankincense. Let's get started. In order to do this recipe, you would need a 1/4 cup of rice water, and rice water is great for the skin because what it is, it actually serves as a brightener and it helps to hydrate the skin, and actually also with consistent use helps to fade dark spots. And it's very anti-aging for the skin. It contains the B vitamins as well. So no matter how much I talk about the benefits of rice water for the skin and hair, it's just not enough to serve it well. Now when it comes to rice, you can use different types of rice for this, and I've previously talked about how I prefer to use jasmine rice because it doesn't smell as bad. But to be honest, any type of rice works well. So in this recipe, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of jasmine rice water. And then I would also use aloe vera gel, because don't forget the benefits of aloe vera gel for the skin in terms of its healing benefits, in terms of its brightening benefits, and it's great for evening the skin tone. So anyone suffering from acne scars, anyone suffering from blemishes or any sort of issue with the skin tone, aloe vera gel is a great ingredient to incorporate in your toners and in your natural DIY masks and cosmetics and stuff. So amazing, great for that. So you would need from 1 to 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. And for the essential oil part, which is amazing, it actually gives that toner a boost in nutrition and a boost in healing benefits. So we did say that it's designed for dry, dehydrated, sensitive skin. So I'll be using about 5 to 8 drops of organic lavender essential oil. And lavender essential oil is important for nourishing the skin. It's important for any sort of inflammation issues with the skin, especially when there's a cold weather involved as well. It's very soothing for and calming for the skin. If you don't have lavender essential oil, then you can easily omit the essential oil part and just use the rice water and the aloe vera. It would work best. So let's get started by making a quick summary of today's recipe. A 1/4 cup of rice water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. It could be fresh, it could be bottled, because the benefits are great for that. And we're using lavender essential oil from 5 to 8 drops of that. So all you would need is to mix the ingredients very well, keep it in a spray bottle, and keep it in the fridge, so that also the coldness would really be healing for the skin, and it would be very soothing as well. And you can use it, simply spray it on your face, but make sure that your mouth and your eyes are closed because we are using an essential oil here and you don't want to get it into your eyes. And then you apply that to a clean face, either by spraying it or by using a cotton ball and wiping your skin with it. And make sure to use it when your skin is still damp, and also you can easily just spray it on your face, wait for it to cool down a little bit or dry a little bit on your face, and then straight away apply a face cream. Now, like always when it comes to using essential oils topically on your skin and face, please make sure to do a test batch if you suspect that you've got allergy or sensitivity towards a certain essential oil such as lavender. So then again, consult your aromatherapist or your medical practitioner if you are wanting to incorporate herbs and supplements into your daily routine. If you enjoyed today